Hello, I'm Nazareth Pope. I want to share something with you that I never even knew existed. It's called Grow-trax. I'd never even heard of this stuff. I haven't really sat down and crunched the numbers, so I'm not able to tell you how much you can save, but if you've ever done an installation before, you'll find that this method is a lot easier on the back. You just bought Grow-trax. Smart move. You've just made one of the smartest, greenest investments for your yard. Grow-trax is more than grass seed. It's a revolutionary all-in-one mat that combines premium seed, fertilizer, and biodegradable mulch into a rollout solution that's as easy as laying a blanket. Whether you're patching bare spots or redoing your whole lawn, your journey to lush green grass has just begun. This is your GrowTrax grass seed mat. Starting from purchase through the emotional moment that the first blade of grass sprouts, it's structured to create excitement, trust, and satisfaction at every stage. The day before I installed GrowTrax, I decided to walk over my yard and take a few photos. This whole thing was pretty much an experiment to me. I had no idea how it was going to turn out. As you can see, there was a great deal more than just grass to worry about. It was just a matter of cutting some paper, placing the paper where I wanted to grow grass. I soaked the paper the first day. After that, I just gave it a good watering twice a day. One word of caution, be sure to set your nozzle to a light spray so that it won't rip the paper. After about 8 weeks, this is what happened. I have to say, I am really impressed with GrowTrax. We're in week 15 now. The best is yet to come. I'm Nazareth Pope, and thanks for watching.